Good morning, students. Today, we would like to discuss about chemical properties of carbon compounds. Chemical properties of carbon compounds. Here, four chemical properties are there. The first one is combustion. Combustion reactions. Oxidation reactions. Third one is addition reactions. Fourth one is substitution reactions. First one is combustion reactions. Carbon compounds are burnt in presence of oxygen. They give carbon dioxide and water. Carbon compounds burnt in presence of oxygen. And gives CO2 and water. Example: CH4 plus (2O2) gives rise to CO2 plus 2H2O. Ethyl alcohol burnt in presence of oxygen, that gives carbon dioxide and water. Here two carbons are there, means 2 CO2. Here 1 oxygen. Here but 7 oxygens. Here 6 hydrogens, means 3 water molecules, means 3 plus 4 equals to 7. Here 1 is there, means 3 O2. This is regarding combustion reaction. Next, oxidation reactions. Carbon compounds undergo oxidation reactions. Carbon compounds undergo oxidation reactions in presence of acidified K2Cr2O7R, alcoholic KMnO4. See, example is ethyl alcohol in presence of acidified K2Cr2O7, that gives CH3CHO. Oxidation means we know that gain of oxygens are loss of hydrogens. Here loss of hydrogens should take place. Then again this should be oxidized. That should be converted to CH3COOH, means gain of oxygen should take place. What should be takes place, Anna? Gain of oxygen should be takes place. First loss of hydrogen should be takes place. Next gain of hydrogen should be takes place. Here see, there is no combustion takes place. In combustion reactions, what happened? Loss of hydrogens are takes place, gain of oxygens are takes place. But in oxidation reactions, here also loss of hydrogens or gain of oxygens should be takes place. But this is not a combustion reaction. So all combustion reactions are oxidation reactions, but all oxidation reactions need not be combustion reactions. Note. All combustion reactions are all combustion reactions are oxidation reactions. But all oxidation reactions need not be combustion reactions. Example is this one only. These are the combustion reactions and also as well as oxidation reactions. But this is an oxidation reaction but not a combustion reaction. Get that? Next, we would like to discuss about addition reactions and substitution reactions. Addition reactions. The addition reactions. Generally, unsaturated compounds are undergoing unsaturated hydrocarbons undergo addition reactions. The addition reactions. See, unsaturated means their reactivity will be more because of having multiple bonds. See, alkenes and alkynes are undergoing addition reactions in presence of nickel with hydrogen. See, example is triple bond CH. Acetylene is undergo addition reaction in presence of nickel catalyst, nickel by palladium catalyst. That should be give H2C double bond CH2. Again this undergo another additional reaction, that should be gives CH3 the bond CH3. Unsaturated compounds are converted to saturated compounds. And as well as we know that hydrogenation of oils. Hydrogenation of oils. Oils are unsaturated compounds, fats are saturated compounds. Oils are unsaturated compounds, fats are saturated compounds. See here, these unsaturated oils undergo hydrogenation, means react with the hydrogen in presence of nickel. They give saturated fats. Unsaturated oil, this is converted to saturated fat. Like vanaspati ghee, means like dada or whatever it may be, normal ghee. See, ghees and fats they are undigestible because of they are saturated compounds. Saturated means paraffins. Paraffins means little affinity to react with other things, means indigestion should be takes place. Oils are unsaturated means they would like to combine with other things. The reactivity will be more automatically. They would like to take a chemical reaction in that one. That is the reason why only we preferred oils only for cooking, not for fats. We preferred only oils for cooking, not for fats. The reason is fats are saturated, oils are unsaturated. Most important question. Most important question in our do you know in textbook. As well as before we discussed that in oxidation reaction we discussed about ethyl alcohol as just a small conclusion in that one. See, the policemen whenever they would like to check a drunk and drive checking, they take another mission potassium permanganate, acidified potassium permanganate means which is in orange red color. Whenever they would like to check breathing analyze, that orange red color is converted to green color means that's neutralized. That converted to green color to blue color means more alcohol percentage is there in that human being. They would like to check like that only in drunk and drive cases. This is addition reactions. The next one is substitution reactions. Substitution reactions. Alkanes are undergoing substitution reactions. Alkanes are undergo substitution reactions. Substitution reactions in presence of sunlight. In presence of sunlight. Methane react with chlorine, that gives chloromethane in presence of sunlight. That is called chlorination of methane. Example is chlorination of methane. Chlorination of methane. CH4 plus Cl2 in presence of sunlight. HNO, sunlight. Most important, representation is most important, otherwise they may not be give complete marks. CH3 Cl plus HCl. This is called chloromethane. Chloromethane. Representation of names also most important. This chloromethane again react with another chlorine molecule in presence of sunlight. CH2 Cl2 plus HCl. This is called dichloromethane. 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 This dichloromethane react with another chlorine molecule in presence of sunlight. That should be give CHCl3 plus HCl. This is called trichloromethane or chloroform. Chloroform. This is only is called trichloromethane. You have to remember every equation is most important. If you would like to write these 4 equations with this one means for 4 marks question mean definitely they would like to give for this one 1 mark and for these 4 equations 3 marks. If this is for 8 marks question means for this definition 2 marks and these for equations they would like to give 6 marks. This chloroform CHCl3 plus Cl2 gives rise to HNO. CCl4 plus HCl. This is called carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride. Afterwards, there is no reaction. The reaction is completed. This is called substitution reactions of alkanes. In this alkanes, chlorination of methane, most important. Chlorination of methane, every reaction is most important. If you would like to mention every equation, they would like to give complete marks. If you would like to forget any equation means you may lose just 1 or 2 marks for 8 marks. So for every equation 1 mark in 4 marks questions. For every equation nearly 1.5 mark or 2 marks for 8 marks questions. So you have to remember and you have to mention very clearly. These are the different types of chemical properties. Now we would like to discuss about some important compounds. Some important compounds. First one is ethanol, C2H5OH. Preparation. Ethene is react with water vapor in presence of P2O5 or tungsten oxide at high pressure and temperature gives ethyl alcohol. CH2 double bond CH2 plus H2O in presence of P2O5 catalyst 100 to 300 atmospheres pressure and 300 degrees Celsius gives C2H5OH. This is called ethyl alcohol. Physical properties. Ethyl alcohol is liquid state. Its boiling point is 78 degrees Celsius. These are the physical properties. Most important, ethyl alcohol is a liquid and its boiling point is 78 degrees Celsius. Chemical properties. Physical properties. Physical state liquid, boiling point is 78 degrees Celsius. Chemical properties reaction with sodium metal, ethyl alcohol react with Na gives hydrogen gas C2H5OH plus 2Na gives rise to 2C2H5ONa sodium ethoxide plus H2 gas. Reaction with H2SO4. Reaction with concentrated H2SO4. Ethyl alcohol react with concentrated H2SO4 at 175 degrees Celsius gives C2H5OH plus on H2SO4 at 175 degrees Celsius gives CH2 double bond CH2 plus water vapor will come. See ethanol. This is the preparation method. These are the physical properties and these are the chemical properties. The next compound is acetic acid. This is the last important compound. Acetic acid or ethanoic acid. Acetic acid or ethanoic acid CH3COOH. See, acetic acid is generally present in vinegar. This is present in vinegar. 5 to 8% acetic acid is called vinegar. Vinegar is a preservative which is used for the storage of pickles or preparation of foods in fast food centers. Everywhere they would like to use. Acetic acid is a liquid. This boils at very low temperatures. These are the physical properties. Coming to the chemical properties. This react with sodium metal produces hydrogen gas. The reason is acids are react with metals, they produce hydrogen gas. We know very well. In acids with bases salts, second activity is that one only. When acids are react with metals, that produces hydrogen gas. Chemical properties. Reaction with acetic acid react with Na gives H2 gas, CH3COOH plus Na gives rise to CH3COONA plus H2. This is called sodium acetate. Reaction with NaOH. See, acetic acid is an acid, NaOH is base. Here neutralization reaction should be takes place. Acetic acid react with NaOH gives salt and water. CH3COOH plus NaOH that gives rise to sodium acetate salt, CH3COONA plus H2O. This is salt, this is water. This is called neutralization reaction. Reaction with Na2CO3. Acids are react with carbonates or metal hydrogen carbonates. They produce carbon dioxide gas. Acids are react with carbonates or metal hydrogen carbonates gives CO2, CH3COOH plus Na2CO3 gives sodium acetate plus H2O plus CO2 with bicarbonate CH3COOH plus NaHCO3 hydrogen carbonate or bicarbonate same, that gives CH3COONA plus H2O plus CO2. Here see, we discussed in the previous one about ethyl alcohol. What is the differences between ethyl alcohol and acetic acid? Means ethyl alcohol react with only sodium that produce hydrogen gas, but that won't be react with either sodium hydroxide or whatever it may be, sodium carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. But acetic acid react with NaOH2, Na2CO3 that produces salt, water and carbon dioxide. But ethyl alcohol won't be react with NaOH or Na2CO3 that won't be give water and carbon dioxide. This is the differences between acetic acid and ethyl alcohol. These are the most important compounds. We are supposed to remember everything. How will you differentiate acetic acid and ethyl alcohol means? Ethyl alcohol react with sodium metal produces hydrogen gas. Acetic acid react with sodium metal produces hydrogen gas. But ethyl alcohol does not react with NaOH or Na2CO3. But acetic acid react with NaOH, Na2CO3 gives sodium acetate and water. And carbon dioxide also will give Na2CO3 and NaHCO3. These are the differences in between the two compounds. In the next coming class, we would like to discuss about esterification and saponification, and the lesson will be complete. I would like that this is more useful to every 10th student. You have to watch regularly that all videos I kept in a single playlist, carbonates, compounds. You have to follow thoroughly. For every skill based question, this is more useful, I think. Thank you.